Welcome back. Well, it's business as usual for the newly married Kareena Kapoor Khan, and she's not one actress who frets over her box office debacles. So heroine is now a thing of the past. The actress is upbeat about her next, the crime thriller Talash with Aamir Khan, and the innumerous brand endorsements that continue to fall into her lap.
प्यार हो गया क्या मुझसे साथ?
लेकिन सर अगर ये लड़की इन्वॉल्व है तो फिर ये आपकी मदद क्यों कर रही है?
Well, congratulations are in order for the very beautiful Kareena Kapoor Khan. So how's married life treating you?
Great, nothing seems different. And I mean, it's been a while, so get over it, people.
Okay, so what's the one thing that has the fizz in your life?
Well, at the moment, it's Limca. It's very, very similar to the way I am. Because I think I've always wanted to take challenges, be inspirational. Things have always inspired me to do more than, more than I can. And Pyas Badhao is about that. It encourages, it inspires. It kind of just goes out to the youth to say that, listen, guys, stand up and do something.
And one of your fans has made it to the Book of Records, Limca Book of Records, with a painting of yours. So whose biggest fan are you?
Well, I don't know. It's difficult to say. I mean, whose biggest fan am I? Well, I think I've been a big fan of my entire families because, obviously they've come, whether it's direction, dance, theatre or acting. I think everyone's been so creatively high up. So it's difficult to pick and choose one from the family. So I'd like to say the entire family.
And also, exciting times ahead for you. Talash promos look very promising, and we saw you essay a role like this in Chameli. How difficult or different is this one?
Well, Chameli was about a prostitute about one night. But Talash and Rosie have nothing to do with, prostitution or what happens. It's an entire plot. I think Indian cinema it's the first of its kind, a film like Talash. And obviously, it's all thanks to Aamir. And he's given me, I think, one of my best roles. So let's see. What I like about it is that he's not over-publicizing the film. But only a man like Aamir can do that because it's something new and it's different. Because I think actors now should talk more about their performances and, their films rather than go out there and, be so overtly promoting a movie. But I love the way he's doing it and I hope people go and see it. That's what's important, because it's a different kind of movie to have actually come out what Reema's made.
तुम्हारे बारे में बातें हो रही है जो तुम्हारे करियर के लिए बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है।
किसके साथ रहते हो रात भर?
And what was it like matching steps with Salman Khan for Fevicol?
It's fun, it's great. I've seen the song and I think I've never really done those Desi Indian kind of thrusts. It's very different. I mean, people would associate, I think, Karishma with those kind of dance moves. But I've done it for the first time and I think it's fun. It's voluptuous, it's sexy, it's what the masses would want.
And lastly, the year draws to a close. One critical acclaim for your performance in Heroine. Were you disappointed with mixed reviews?
I mean, I think that a film is not rocket science. Some people, we actually obviously treat it like rocket science because, every experiment doesn't have to be, Einstein, or it doesn't have to be like, the greatest ever. It's a movie at the end of the day. And actors' job is just to perform well and, move on to our next movie. We actually take it too seriously. But I'm one actor that really doesn't. I do my job and I go back home.
And the year comes to an end, the best movie or performance that you've seen this year?
I actually am one actor that doesn't see too many Indian movies. Saif and me don't watch any Indian movies. If you ask him, he'll say that the last Indian movie I saw was Dabangg. Dabangg 2 is releasing, but he saw Dabangg last. And I saw what did I see last? Yeah, I think 3 Idiots and Dabangg. I mean, I don't see too many Indian movies. So.
And lastly, Sridevi's best comeback of the year?
Great. We've all grown up wanting to be like her. So I think she's fantastic. It's not just in movies. Just love looking at her also.
What makes you pick up the brands that you do?
Well, there are a number of reasons, actors actually, pick up brands for, lots of reasons. But for me, I think the only thing is that I've always said that I don't want to endorse alcohol or cigarette smoking. Because at least a few of my fans, why should I encourage, something that's what I don't believe in?
Do you use the products you endorse?
Well, most of them we try to do that, an actor would be lying if they really say that. I I use Lux Banyan, but I don't. So I don't know, you know. I mean, but I try to do. And Samaira likes drinking limca, so she's part of my family and my home.
So what role does advertising according to you play? I mean, have you ever been tempted seeing an ad, and have you ever picked up something?
Well, I think, you know, it is. I think the entire TV world, you know, I mean, the people watching telly at home, they do. They're actors who are like, you know, coming to your house, telling you what a product stands for. That's why, of course, actors should pick and choose.
Well,